Hi, our project is Dev Creator. We solve a massive problem. Developers are terrible at marketing. Let me show you how. We use Coral to pull live data straight from GitHub. Here in the panel, you can see real-time commits, PRs, and a developer impact score. To avoid building a generic wrapper, my stack uses Fast API, a custom UI, and the Coral to connect directly to my live GitHub database. I use Grok and Llama to power the application. Let's see how it works. I just select the specific repository I want to highlight, like my new Insights DSA project, pick the tone for my audience, and hit generate. In just a few seconds, Dev Creator analyzes my code and builds a complete campaign. It adapts the format perfectly for each platform, giving me a punchy thread for X and a professional post for LinkedIn. For Instagram, it doesn't just write the caption, it actually generates a complete mid-journey image prompt, giving me the exact visual direction I need to match my code. Next, we have the timeline feature. We wanted to help developers tell the bigger story of their work. When I click Narrate My Week, Dev Creator pulls my entire week of raw GitHub events and translates them into a beautifully narrated developer journal. It groups my scattered activity into a cohesive story and automatically identifies the unsung hero moment of the week. Now, instead of a boring list of commits, I have a perfect weekly recap ready to share. Lastly, if you want to plan ahead, we built the content calendar. When I hit generate, Coral runs multiple SQL queries to pull different slices of my history, like my highest starred repo, recent commits, and my oldest project. Our AI strategist instantly turns this data into a multi-day schedule. Instead of wondering what to post, I get a strategic mix of deep dives, hype posts, and throwbacks. Dev Creator puts an entire week's marketing strategy on autopilot. But what if I want to change direction? For that, we just use the refine bar at the bottom. I can just type my feedback like, make this punchier and focus more on the front end. Click refine. Instead of just generating new text blindly, Dev Creator analyzes my feedback, actually pivots the underlying marketing strategy, and rewrites the entire campaign. It's a true collaborative AI copilot. Now, here's the best part. Most AI tools are just black boxes. You type a prompt, get some text, and hope it's good. But if I click on our Why This Campaign panel, Dev Creator becomes completely transparent. You can see the actual brain behind the operation. Before it wrote a single line of copy, our AI strategist analyzed my GitHub data to formulate a specific marketing angle, a narrative hook, and a core value proposition. It shows me exactly why it made these choices, proving it's not just a text generator, but a true marketing strategist. Thank you for watching the video.